Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Phoebe. In today's tutorial we're going to be making your headband distress fauxlocs with your old crochet braids. Yes, you heard me right, your old crochet braids. If you have it, you don't know what to do with it, and this video looks like what you're interested in, please stay tuned. First of all, you use the crochet braids to create your free traced hair. Then use your crochet needle to pull the hair through the curl. Pull the hair. Make sure the hair is not equal in length with the other one. Use the long one to wrap around the short one. While at it, wrap the hair around your tongue. Go underneath it, then come upwards to secure the false butterfly you're creating. Remember, you're not using your passion twist, so that's the essence of doing this. You keep wrapping the hair around each other. When you get to the end, to lock the hair, you leave the one you used in wrapping the other one. You leave it behind. Use that the other one to wrap upwards. When you're through with that one, come back and collect the other one, then wrap it upwards again. Some people, they use a candle to burn theirs. They use a glue to kind of secure it. They glue the hair. For me, I didn't do that. I think this is the best option. Keep wrapping the hair until you're through with it. Then fill in the cap. Keep braiding until you fill in the cap. I made mine scarce. I don't want it to be heavy. I didn't remember to make a clip when I was attaching the band to the cap. Please bear with me. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, please share with your friends and family. What do you think about the hair? I'll be on the comment section to hear your opinion. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.